Good day coders, in this video I'll show you how to set up Angular and create your first Angular project. So what you first need to do is ensure that you've got Node installed. So I'm just going to show you from my NVM list which version of Node that I have. So I've installed Node version 20.5.0. So then the next thing you'd run like this actual command, which is npm install globally your Angular CLI. So currently I've got like Angular installed in my PC, so I'll just actually show you which version of Angular that I have. So if I run ng version, so this will actually show me that I'm running Angular 17, right? So once that is done, to actually now create your actual project, your Angular project, what you need to run is this command. So it's ng new, and then I'm just gonna name it Angular basic course. So this is basically the name of my Angular project. Then it's gonna ask me a couple of questions. I'm gonna choose yes for choosing SCSS, and then I'm just gonna say no for server-side rendering. Okay, so now your Angular schematics will actually run and create a couple of folders and actually install your Angular packages, well, your npm packages. So we're gonna wait for that to actually finish up. Okay, now that Angular is done creating the project and actually installing the packages, what you can actually do is either cd into your actual Angular project that you've actually created, or you can just open it up on VS Code. So what I can do over here is just run this open folder. This is here, YouTube basics, and then open up this project, and then I'll just need to then run the simple command to actually start up my actual Angular project. So this is ng-serve. Okay, this is gonna ask me like stuff along the lines of Google Analytics. Just gonna say no. Oh, it's Angular Analytics. Okay, I'm just gonna say no for that. And then basically now your Angular application is already like started up and served. So you can actually now go to the browser over here and open this and actually open this. Okay. So now that you see, voila, your project is running. Now you've actually got an Angular project set up. So now let's try to actually change some stuff, right? To see if those changes are going to be applied. If I go to my src folder, apps and apps HTML, right? I'm just going to go ahead and just delete everything for now. Then in here, I'm just going to have h1 tag, and then I'm going to say this is my Angular basics course, right? So if I save this up, this should hold reload, and if I go to my actual application over here, you'll see that I've got these changes now showing. So this is basically what you need to actually set up Angular and create your Angular project. So if you're new to the channel and you like this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.